This sketch doesn't cover any new tips, so try to complete this exercise using your own ideas. To draw this sketch, I'll first create the large circle. Then add 2 equal circles here and here, tangent to the larger one, and place 2 more equal circles at their centers. Using these tips, I go ahead and draw the sketch. I select the front plane and enter Sketch mode. I draw a large circle, and then add 2 circles inside it. Then I draw 2 more circles inside those 2 circles. These 2 circles need to be concentric with the larger circles. And their sizes should also be equal. They also need to be aligned vertically. Now all 4 circles are vertically aligned. And the next step is to make this circle, and this circle equal and tangent to the larger circle. I make these 2 equal, and then make this circle tangent to the larger one, and also make this circle tangent to the larger circle. Now the sketch is formed. The next step is to make these 2 circles tangent to each other. I set the dimensions and then use the Trim command to remove the unneeded entities. And that's how I complete the sketch.